Hello everyone, how are you doing? ᴢᴛ here and welcome back with another quick tutorial. In today's I'm gonna show how to fix the Google Chrome won't open load problem or not loading any web page. The first step is go to the start menu and type cmd, right click and select run as administrator. If you receive an user account control, click on yes and type the next command. The command is in description: ipconfig /release and hit enter. You can show your adapter properties or your specific DNS or Ethernet connector, Ethernet, wireless adapter, whatever. Type ipconfig /flush DNS and hit enter. Windows IP configuration successfully finishing the DNS resolve cache. The next command is net sh int IP set DNS and hit enter. No, sorry. ipconfig /renew. Hit enter. Windows IP configuration. The new IP in the internet. Sorry for my English. Net sh int IP set DNS to assign an DNS server connection and hit enter. And the process is ending and connection established. To apply the change, restart your computer. After net ⴨sock reset and hit enter. Net ⴨sock reset, enter. Sorry, net sh ⴨sock reset and hit enter. Successfully reset the ⴨sock catalog. Net sh ⴨sock reset. You must restart your computer in order to complete the reset. Click on close. Go to the start menu, select the power button and click on restart. Login in your desktop. And your problem with your Google Chrome navigator has been works properly or repaired successfully. You can try enter in any web page. And this is all. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next tutorial. Goodbye.